or welcome back to my channel.
Stay
Focused
with Nivi.
And in today's video, we are going to see the part 2 of who's most likely to challenge. So if you haven't watched part 1, I will give the iCard over there. So yeah, I will give it there. So today we are going to do another 10 questions of who's most likely to. So hope you enjoy this challenge. So let's get started.
Okay, let's begin with the questions. Who's most likely to do something embarrassing in the public? It's obviously Nivi.
Yeah, one time what happened? I my total family went to buy clothes for my sister's birthday. Like at that time, when everybody is buying her dresses, I was really bored. So yeah, so what I did was I just danced. I did not even dance. Like I did some steps in the clothes shop. That's very embarrassing, that the thing that I made in public. So what do you think about that embarrassing moment that I did?
I didn't watch her dancing because
She was shopping, very sincerely shopping.
not sincerely. For me, all the time, not every time. It takes time for me to purchase dresses because it's hard to find a dress for my size.
We did not wanted to talk this part. Okay, let me move on to the next question.
Okay, who's most likely to be a perfectionist? It's Nivi.
Yeah, I want him. Okay, you will tell. You tell.
She wants everything to be perfect. She, even when editing also she wanted to be perfect. She wants each and every part she will do it perfectly. At least it might not be perfect like a professional editor, but she tries to give her best in everything. She wants to be perfect in everything. So she is a perfectionist. I am not a perfectionist.
Yeah, but sometimes I won't be perfect, that much perfect. So yeah, I want my videos to be very perfect. I spend a lot of hours on editing the video, at least 2 to 3 hours. So yeah, if I start editing at 2, I'll be completing at least 5, not at the AM, like at the afternoon to evening. So I'll be doing that. So yeah, please ignore the background noise. I don't know why they are just selling these things at this time when we shoot the video. Like before we were shooting the video, no noise were there, nothing. But now only they come and sell everything when we are shooting the video. Please ignore the noise. Okay, please move on to the next question. They are making a lot of noise.
Who's most likely to be the most sensitive? We both of them are sensitive.
Yeah, because I don't know why, but yeah, we are sensitive. We cry to small things. We get very emotional. So yeah, we both are sensitive. But we are not, our skin is not sensitive like a butterfly skin. We are sensitive like in our mind. Am I correct? Or why are you watching me like that?
Nothing.
It was a fun joke, I guess.
Who's most likely to share a secret?
I cannot keep secrets. Yeah, I cannot definitely keep secrets. I think I read this fact somewhere, like we girls cannot keep a secret for 48 hours, I guess, but
Not 48 hours.
48. I don't know why. Okay, wait, please. I just know it. I think I'm sleepy. Okay, whatever. 48 hours. We cannot keep a secret for 48 hours. I don't know why I'm embarrassing myself in front of you guys. Yeah, I really don't know. But yeah, we cannot keep a secret for 48 hours, I think. So yeah, I read it somewhere. I do not know clearly, but we cannot keep a secret for more than a long time. For more than a little time. So yeah.
For me, nobody will share a secret to me.
Even
my friends, they doesn't share secrets to me.
I share, but it's not a secret. It's not a secret because I cannot keep anything in my mind. Whatever I'm thinking in my mind, I'll be that would be out. So yeah.
Like for me, my friends doesn't tell any of the secrets to me. They tell I'm like I cannot keep a secret. If they tell like don't tell to somebody, like they tell, I will keep it as I will never tell that secret. But without telling, how would I know that whether it is a secret or not? So sometimes I would say it by mistake. But if they say that you please don't say to anybody, means I will never ever say that thing to anybody. So but some also tells I am also a person who tell everything fast. I'm so innocent, all those stuffs.
But she's not.
uh,
Yeah, you're not, right?
I don't know. Some say I'm very innocent, some say I'm very mature, some say I'm very like rude, I'm not talking to anybody. Everybody give different opinions about me, but I don't know what is my real character.
Yeah, you should know your real character inside your mind.
Uh, um,
I think you did not figure it in the 16 years of your life.
um, I'm confused. Like one is saying I'm very innocent.
Okay, what question we are actually speaking? How it came to this part? Like what question we are actually?
Who's most likely to share a secret?
Oh, we are speaking about that now. Okay.
I don't know. I can keep up a secret. I guess I can keep up.
Yeah. Okay. Please a little louder.
I can-
Editor knows that how it's very hard to edit with a low voice.
Okay, I can keep up a secret. I think so.
Okay.
I can keep up.
I will have some water break. Yeah.
Okay. Who's most likely to have their own company? Own company is like Nivi because
Yeah.
she's having her own YouTube channel now. And then she also said that she wanted to start a new not new YouTube channel, like a new company when she grew up.
Yeah. Like
She
I want
she
to
wanted to
start.
start a business.
Yeah, I want to
Seems.
study MBA and I want to start a business, and I think it takes 15 more years because I have to complete my studies, and after that I have to go to the college.
It's not
And-
studies. I have to complete my school.
Yeah. I have to complete my school and I have to complete the MBA college thing. Okay. Yeah, I want to start a company. That's it. I want to start a business in my future. Like when I was very young, I was telling that I want to become a teacher. Like, yeah, I think I may be a teacher in the future, but like what's going on my mind is I want to like have my own company. Like I have to run it successfully.
Right now she's thinking like that, but she might her aim might also change because right now she's only 10 years old, so it might.
Yeah, I'm going to become 11 at September. Yeah, at September. Yeah, this is actually my second birthday dress. For my 10th birthday, at the morning I wore a grand dress, and at the evening I wore this. Like it is very beautiful, but you guys cannot see it because this girl want the tripod to be height, and I am actually a short person than her. So like when the tripod is up, like I'm little. Yeah. Like why are you staring at me like this?
No, I'm
Like
seeing what you're telling.
Oh, am I speaking correct like that? Huh?
Not like that. I'm not monitoring you. Whenever you speak to a person, you see your friend like this, and only you will speak. No, you will not look at somewhere here else or somewhere here, and you will be speaking like that. You will be seeing your friend like that. Yeah, what happened? Like that, you will be speaking. So only I'm seeing.
Okay, now see the camera.
Okay.
Okay, like we are sweating, so that's why my sister is doing like this. Okay, I'm laughing very terribly. Okay, next question.
Who's Now moving on to the next question. Who's most likely to do an embarrassing dance? I'm not good at dance, and I would not dance in
I think it's my sister. Like if I practice, I would be good at dance. But yeah, like if I get something practiced, I will be good. But what did you were say? Continue that.
Yeah, I'm not good at dance. I'm not good at dance. I wouldn't dance in like
Public.
Yeah.
But she dances at home sometimes, very rarely.
Mm,
Yeah, like
no, I wouldn't dance at all.
like dance means what? Just what? Doing some steps. Go to the next question. Why are you silent?
Okay. Next question. Who's most likely to be best in science? Best. She has started reading science only this year. She
Yeah,
has
but
came
I
to
have
sixth grade.
also read science when I was third grade. But when we went to fourth grade, I don't know why they changed it
They
back
had,
to
only
EVS. Yeah,
not
now
separate subjects like social and then science. They had it together with EVS.
yeah. So yeah, third grade I had a little experience on it, and I score good marks. Like if 80 marks exam on science means like 75 above in science. Like yeah, I love science.
Like for me, I'm not that good at science because till my 8th grade I was doing good at science, but at 9th and 10th I had problem in physics. I'm not that good at physics.
Okay, I don't know what's that stuff called as physics. I just have science, so yeah, now I'm good at that. So yeah, what you basically do in physics? It actually sounds like civics. Okay, tell me, what do you do?
Civics and physics are similar, you're telling. The sounds.
Yeah. Like physics, what do you do?
You will learn it. If I tell, you wouldn't be able to understand.
Okay.
You will learn it deeply in your 9th, 10th.
Okay. Whenever she's telling like that 10th, like that and all, I feel, oh my god, I have to study a lot at 10th and all. I feel like that because that's what the truth is. So
No, it's not like that.
it's easy.
No, if you study consistently, it's easy.
Oh,
Whatever subject.
okay. Which question now? Which question we are?
This 18th question.
We came to 18th. The video just went like 12 minutes. We came to 18th question. I think this video will be shorter than that
The first video.
first part. I don't know why that happened. So yeah. Like, do you like the first part dress or this part dress? Comment down below.
My dresses, both the dresses are mostly similar.
Ah,
Like you
yeah.
have only that red color strip in that dress, but
Yeah,
in
mine
this
is
dress,
totally different, but that last dress also had these flower thingies. We spoke about dresses, so yeah, which one do you like? Comment down below. I don't know, like the last part one, the comments got turned off. I don't know, like I could not turn it on. I tried a lot, but I could not. So
yeah, we couldn't on. We are keep on trying it.
yeah, I think maybe the YouTube did that. I don't know. I think the YouTube did that because I tried to turn on the comments, but I could not. So yeah, let's move on with the questions. We have more.
3 questions only.
Yeah, 3 questions only. So yeah, it's gonna be a small video than the
Part 1.
part 1. So yeah.
Okay, who's most likely to invent something new? Nivi. Actually, if you watch the first part 1, she's more creative. So from that itself, you might have guessed that she is most likely to invent more new and useful things.
Yeah, I got the habit from my lovely mother,
Yeah.
and she do not waste even a single thing in our home. Like she'll be inventing something in that and make it very useful. So yeah. So I got that habit from my mother, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. Who's most likely to sing
What's that? Sing.
in a shower? Nivi.
Yeah, I sing. Like nowadays I'm not singing, but like a few days back and all I was singing. Like I will sing what and all songs I know. Of course, yeah, I sing those songs. And yeah, my.
Can you sing some songs now?
Oh no! I'm bad at singing. Don't do like that. I also don't know what song to sing now. So yeah, let's.
No,
sing.
I will give you some suggestions.
No.
You sing. You let's make it somewhat fun. You said.
Okay,
you
you
listen.
you sing. You sing.
No.
Pass my sister.
I'm not good at singing, and I will not sing. I will not sing.
I'm also not good at singing. Okay.
But you said you will sing your when you're doing a shower, right?
Excuse me, like when we are in the shower, like our family just knows that we are singing something, and others don't know, right? Like how bad I'm singing.
Okay. You sing the song now. Let your viewers tell that you're whether good or bad at singing.
Why? Okay, let me sing this song from Master. I really love Vijay, so yeah, I really like Vijay, so yeah. Who all are Vijay fans? Comment down below. So yeah, if the comments are turned on, I don't know if the YouTube is again going to turn off the comment. I don't know why they turned off. So yeah, let me sing one song. Let me sing a goodie story. Pay attention, listen to me. If you want, take it or else ban attention, leave it, baby. Life is very short, Nanba. Always be happy. So that's it. I know the full song, but I don't want to sing and embarrass myself. Okay, last and final question.
Who's most likely to do bungee jumping? Nivi.
Yeah, I want to try bungee jumping at least once in my life. So yeah, I really want to try it, and yeah, I want to do with my sister. What do you think? Are you scared of that?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Yeah, me too. I don't know like how I'm going to react when I do that. So yeah, I really want to try more adventures. Oh, why this notification killing? Okay, really sorry. Yeah, the notification just came. Yeah, so that's why the beep came. So yeah, this is what the challenge is. I hope you like this challenge. And do you want to try bungee jumping in your life?
Maybe, but as I already said in the last video, I'm scared of height. But
Yeah.
but when we are seeing in some ad and all, I saw in an what is that ice cream ad, right? That cone ice cream.
Do that in that ad?
Yeah,
I don't know.
one ice cream they will do an ad. And in many movies also I saw that. I'm sorry, I shake the.
Yeah, she
phone.
taped the tripod, my lovely tripod.
I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. It looks amazing to see. At the same time, I'm scared. I don't know if I get an opportunity to. Maybe I would try it.
Yeah, me too. So yeah, meet you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah.
Like, share, subscribe to her channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon and tell your opinion about this video, how it was. Or you can also mention the flaws. If I did any mistake in this video, you can tell in the video.
Yeah, if I also did any mistakes, you can tell, and we will try to what.
But please don't use some harsh languages.
Yeah, don't. So yeah,
nobody has used in her channel.
Yeah, till now.
So we are happy about that. Still now she didn't get any hate comments.
Yeah, but we are getting a lot of notifications while filming this video.
Okay.
Meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.
Bye.